Guys, to the garage. In this video I need to change the thermostat in the Golf because it doesn't get over 70 degrees. Unfortunately the thermostat I got from Kieran is the wrong one. I think it's for a Passat, so I need to go and pick up a thermostat from the auto factors. So I'm currently in my fiance's little Yaris, so I don't get my engine warm. That's where I'm going. I'm going to pick up the part because I ain't got the part yet. So I picked up my part. Not quite sure. Oh, there you go. SAS Auto Factors, that's where I've been for my part. We have the new thermostat with seals, might I add. There is the new one. I went to Auto Factors because some of them on eBay were like 15 quid, some of them was 30, 40, 50 quid. I was like, what? Guess how much I paid? I don't know, it could be right, it could be wrong, I don't know what you've just said. £8.88. Yeah, £8.88 with VAT. Right, time to get home now and start stripping down the Golf. Get this new thermostat in. So we're back working on the shed. The thermostat is in that housing just down there. You can just see the top of the bolt in the middle of the screen now, and there's another one underneath. Not 100% sure how I'm going to get to it, but apparently you can get to it without undoing anything, so I'm going to give that a go and hope for the best, if I'm honest. But we shall see. We'll get some extensions on it and we'll see how we get on. So I'm going to attempt to try and get onto these bolts without removing anything. So I can get onto the top one nice and easy. The bottom one's going to be more difficult, but I think we can get to it. Some of you might want to stick a tray underneath to try and catch some water. To be honest, I'm just going to let it spill out and top it up with some fresh, because the water in this is a bit minging anyway. So if I crack off that top one, thread the needle, thread the needle. Alright, that's the top one loose. Now I need to try and go to the bottom one, it's going to be right fiddly. Threading the needle, guys, I'm threading the needle. Right, so if I go behind that. And I'm nearly on. I'm on! Who says you need to freaking undo alternators and take stuff out? Nah. Remove the ratchet. Thread the needle. Oh no, I lost my socket! Change of plan. We'll undo the top bolt on the thermostat. Not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I'm going to struggle to show you otherwise. So that's the top bolt of the thermostat housing. And now it might just be a case of I can just pull everything out. There goes the coolant. And the thermostat came straight out. There's our old nasty thermostat. And no seal. Can I get that on camera if I turn it around? You can see the thermostat housing with these fingers which hold the thermostat. And it's very rusty in there. Probably a good job I've lost all this coolant and stick some fresh in. And there's a seal around there as well, so we need to remove that seal so that seal can seal onto that. Then there's another seal which goes on the back of this and then goes into the block. And it needs to clean it all up. So we're going to remove the old seal. I'm going to go ahead and put the thermostat back in its hole. I've put the new O-ring around the edge of the housing. I'm going to have to try and hold it on as I line it up. I don't think I can do it any other way. So I've now got to try and feed this down with its O-ring on. Which is, it's off already. It's easier said than done. But I'm trying. Well, I think it, no. I thought it was there, but the O-ring's off. The O-ring sit on there. I need a torch. Right, so I've actually put the O-ring on the thermostat, so that'll work. Now I just need to line the thermostat up and chuck its 2 bolts back in. It's lined up. Now I need a bolt. Now I need that. Get that top bolt finger tight. What that's going to do is freaking hold the ceiling now while I fumble around trying to get this bottom one in place. Oh, a goodie. Yep, dropped the bolt already. This is not going to be good. Now, once I put all this back together, I'm going to have to top the system back up with water and coolant and then bleed it. And hopefully we'll get warm. And not have no leaks. Only time will tell. Now, there is a specific torque that these bolts need to be. I don't know what it is, so I'm just doing it so it's nipped up nice and tight with my fingertips. Drop the socket again! Tighten the top one up as well. Now remove all the tools and fill it up and hope for the best. So we need to top the coolant up. Like I said, I don't have any coolant at the moment, so I'm just going to be using water. And then I'll top it up with coolant at a later date. Some eagle-eyed viewers would have noticed I've not put that clamp back on, even though I never actually needed to take it off in the first place. So I'm going to quickly do that before I start the car up. So it's all back together. Nice and tight, and that clamp's on, as you can see. You don't need to take that off, so where I took that off in the video, you know, you don't need to do that. It's not needed at all. So I've left the cap off because we need to start the engine now, get the water flowing around and get it bled back up. At the moment it took 2 kettles to fill it up at the moment, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be still air in the system. So I have another kettle of water standing by ready. Leave the cap off, let's start it up and let's get the fans on hot and get the water flowing around and get the engine up to temperature. So, key in, ignition on, and fire. There we go. That's how you stop that. Put it on max. Put the fans on hot, on high. I think it's doing it automatically. Yeah, not doing it automatically. And we'll just need to sit and basically wait, but I'm going to go and wait on the outside and watch the temperature go up and make sure there's no leaks. Excuse the loud engine, I'll just put the cap back on now because it stopped burping and stopped sending up bubbles. Just put the cap back on to pressurise the system. Not sure if you can tell on the camera, but the gauge is ever so slowly starting to rise. So I'll come back to you in a little while when it's got up to temperature. As you can see, well, a minute or two and over there, you can see it's just underneath 90 degrees. I have just been watching a film whilst waiting for it to warm up on my head unit. There you go, that's all you're going to see, because I ain't getting none for copyright. Although it's been interesting. Yeah, we're good. Car's warming up nice now. We're at temperature. Job done. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I shall see you in another video soon. Ciao, people. Temperature now, as you can see, 90 degrees. It is nice and toasty inside this car now. I've just took it for a quick spin. Absolutely fine. So, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. This has been how to install a thermostat in a 1.9 PD 130 engine, although I think the others may be very similar. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and for those of you who have lost water like me, make sure you check how much antifreeze is in it, and get yourself a hydrometer and check the boiling point and the freezing point of it. Other than that, thank you very much. I'll see you in another video very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao.